Hello and welcome back. So we are entering the 4th of July holiday period here in the United States. And one company to think about from an aerospace and defense capacity is Draganfly Inc, DPRO. This is a tiny little Canadian company that services the US and Canada, founded in 1998, highlighting North American made as they design, develop, manufacture these drone products. And these are used for defense. These are used for air, ground, software, sensors, systems, analysis, better decision making, and for things to go off and people to respond. So again, very small, speculative company. It's been around for a while. It's just bumping along at the bottom. They do have 23 patents with one more on the way. As you know, this is a large and growing addressable market for drones, security, secure borders, defense. This will be highlighted even bigger now with this new Trump bill. They just went through a $13.75 million cash raise. This is good. They can still raise cash, even though they're burning through it. But they've got some revenue. They've got some good designs. They've got manufacturing capacity. They've got a following. They're also expected to benefit from an $80 billion Canadian defense package. So there's a lot of things that could go right for this company. What hasn't? Well, this company is they've missed some opportunities along the way, and their stock has languished. It was just a couple of 2 to 3 years ago, this was over $50 a share. But of course, they've had it's plunged so much, and they've had a 1-for-9 reverse split, and we're still sitting at $3 a share. So when you think about fundamentals, $40 million market cap. It's small. This is speculative. It's $3 share price, down 30% for the year. 1 year down over the course of 12 months, down 44%. Over 5 years, down 85%. So there's things to think about here. But usually these companies with good technology, manufacturing capacity, good patents, which that's worth something, could fit under somebody else's wing very nicely, or they could flourish on their own. So we'll see. They are being looked at for U.S. Border Patrol, and they're being tested out for they are working with a U.S. defense contractor and supplying items for them, products for them. And they do, again, develop, manufacture, and sell these unmanned products for really protection and security, air, ground, software, sensors, and analysis. So it's in a unique space, a bit unloved. It's been out of favor for quite some time, but could get some play here. This is speculative. Analysts are seeing this at an average price of $5.25 a share, some as high as $7. The low end of the range is $3.50. And with revenue bumping around $7 million a year, one analyst is even seeing this spiking up into the upper 20s relatively soon. So take a look. It's speculative, could be worth it. Drones is a hot sector. They've got some unique characteristics and capabilities here. I have a little piece of this, and we're going to continue to review it and share what we see and see what happens with this. But aerospace defense, and with the new Trump bill passing, could see some more action on this side of the border as well. We'll talk with you later. Enjoy your holiday.